This How to 1 Minute will show you how to leave a Discord server you made without deleting it. In order to leave your own server without deleting it, we need to change the server ownership. So open your own server, click on server name, server settings, scroll down to the left hand side, members, and as you can see currently this account is owner of this server, and now I want to transfer this server ownership to this account. So I'm going to clicking on this three dot next to the user, transfer ownership, toggle on this option, transfer ownership, and now if I click on this server again, and as you can see currently I'm not owner of this server. Now I can easily leave this server from here without deleting. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.